De-attachment is such an important narrative in the story that God is trying to build in our lives, because in oftentimes and in many cases, growth requires of us to actually detach from the things that we are blessed with and the things that we are given. God will ensure that everything and anything that is not required in the next level of your life becomes a loss in your life. That means you are going to begin to lose people, you are going to begin to lose some careers, you are going to begin to lose some investments, mainly because those things are not qualified for the next level and area in your life. And in many cases, when we go through these moments in our lives where we lose things, where we lose people, we don't tend to actually understand what is going on. And this is God preparing us even for the next level. Growth will come with so much shedding in your life. Growth will come with so much peeling and pruning in your life, mainly because the product that's required in you for the next season and level in your life requires a different version of you. It is okay that we are constantly evolving, and evolving will mean that we are going to lose some people in our lives, mainly because those people were seasonal people and not people that were meant for a lifetime. We must constantly stop. We must stop to chase people that are trying to live in our lives, because God is signaling to us that these people are not required for the next level of our lives. So if you have actually lost people, friends, loved ones, if you have lost money, if you have lost a career, I want to say to you that God is working in you and preparing you for the next version of yourself that will be required for the next season and level that God is doing in your life, because God is constantly in the business of growth. And sometimes growing up is not nice, because it means you are going to lose, size in the clothes that you did love in the past, and that is okay, because you are evolving every single day. And that's what I'd like.